Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT class. Today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about paint. So paint is a software which is used to draw and paint. So how we can open paint? So we can open paint by clicking start menus, all program, accessories. From accessories we can select paint. So this is a way we can open paint. Okay. So after clicking paint, a window will be opened which is called paint software. Okay. So when paint window gets open up, so what are the things that are available? In paint window we have so many tools which is used to draw drawings. So with the help of these tools we can draw drawings like pencil tool, line tool, shape tool. So all these things are the inbuilt tools that are available which helps us draw. Okay. So we'll see one by one. First there is in top we will be having a toolbox which has different tools. Okay. So the first tool that we are going to see is a pencil tool. What is the use of pencil tool? Pencil tool is used to draw freehand. So with the help of pencil tool we can draw anything that we want. Okay. And we can choose the color. So whichever color we want from the color palette. So based on that we can choose it and we can draw. Okay, so that is use of pencil tool. Next tool that we are going to see is line tool. So what is use of line tool? So if you want to draw a line, then we will use line tool. So line, if you want to draw several lines at the time, we can use this line tool. So the next tool that we are going to see is brush tool. So if you want to draw or if you want to give paint to the drawing whichever you have done, so at the time you can use this brush tool. So brush tool color choosing also can be done with the help of color palette. So from the color palette you can choose whichever color that you want and you can just paint it. Okay. So the next tool that we are going to see is a eraser tool. So what is use of eraser tool? So if you have done something wrong, then if you want to erase it, at the time we can use this eraser tool for correcting it. Okay. So with the help of eraser tool you can erase the mistake that you have done and you can just redraw it. Now we are going to see about drawing shapes. So if you want to add shapes to your drawing, so at the time how can we do? We can do with the help of shape tools. So we have different shapes that are available and we can add, by clicking it we can add. Okay. So the first shapes that we are going to see is a rectangle. If you want to insert rectangle to your drawing, so how can we do that? You can just click rectangle tool that is available and you can just place it in our canvas, drawing canvas, so that the rectangle tool will appear on your screen. Okay. This is how you need to place rectangle tool. When I show you it will be more clear for you. So similarly if you want to place square, so if you want to place square, how can we do that? You need to just click shift and you need to place this rectangle tool. So after that your rectangle will turn into square. So square, what is the difference between rectangle and square? Square which has all sides equal, whereas rectangle only two sides of the rectangles are equal. Okay. So by doing shift plus pressing this rectangle tool will make your rectangle into square. Okay. And you can add circles, you can add polygons. So all these shapes can be added with the help of this shape tool. Okay. So after adding shapes, if you want to fill the shapes with some particular color, so how can we do that? So that can be done with the help of fill with color. So fill with color is an option which is used to fill the closed surface with some particular color. So it will be like a kind of bucket, so you can just click it and you can just choose the color whichever you want and you just need to apply the place where that color needs to be filled. Okay, and this is how you need to use fill with color. Okay, and you can change the background of the picture. So that also you need to choose the color whichever you want and you can use this fill with color to change the background of the picture. Okay, and if you want to add text to your document, that is text to your paint window, so how can we do that? So that can be done by using the text tool that is available in paint window. Okay, so with the help of this text tool you can insert text whichever you want. Okay. So first you need to see how to open paint. For that you need to click start menu. So after clicking start menu, if you are typing paint, so it will show the option paint here. So if I double click it, my paint window, it's open now. So first I will show you, first I will explain you. So this is a drawing area and these are the tools that are available. and this is a image group, and this is a shape group, and here we have different, this is a size for, if I am selecting this brush, so this is a size for it, so I can, with which I can choose the size. Okay, so and this is whatever tool you are selecting, so this is a size for it, you can select it, and this is a color palette that is available. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, so these are the quick access tools that are available for quick access. Okay, so and these are the tool boxes. And first we'll see what is a pencil tool. So pencil tool is used to draw freehand. So if we want to create some freehand drawing, then at the time I can use this pencil tool. So for it, you need to just place the pencil tool to appropriate position, and then you need to just drag your mouse so that it will create line. Okay, so after this you have line tool. So line tool is used to draw lines. So you can draw horizontal line, you can draw vertical line, you can draw slanting line. So whatever may be the case, with the help of line tool we can draw. Okay, and the other tool, so the next tool that we are going to see is brush tool. So with the help of brush tool you can just color your drawing. So here I'm just using this brush tool to color my drawing. So similarly, with the help of brush can use and can color your drawing. Okay, here you have different types of brushes, you can use it. So if I use this, so can you able to see, so these are the different type of brushes that are available, you can make use of it. Okay, and the next tool that we are going to see is eraser tool. If you want to erase your work, from here I can choose the eraser size, and if I want to erase my work, I can just drag my mouse over that area. I can just click and drag it so that it is erased. Okay, so all my unwanted works can be erased by using this eraser tool. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. And you can draw shapes by using this shape tool. So different shape tools are available. If I want to add this shape, I can just click it and I can just drag it and drop it here. And this also, if I want to add this star, at the time I can just drag it and drop it here. So you need to select some color, you need to select the tool whichever you want, and you need to just drag it and drop it here. Okay, and similarly you can draw rectangles, squares, etc. So this is a rectangle that is available. So if I want to make this a square, so at the time what can I do, with the help of, by pressing shift, this rectangle will become square. So with the help of shift, my rectangle will become square. So similarly we have oval tool. So this is a oval tool. So if I want to make it a circle, at the time I need to press shift. So here my oval has changed into circle. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. So that's all about shapes. And if you want to fill color, you have the option of fill bucket here. So with which I can select some color. So I'm selecting this color and I'm filling it. So can you able to see? So with which I can fill this color to all my shapes. Okay, so likewise you can also fill the colors. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. So and I can add text to my paint window. So how can I add it? So this is a text tool that is available. By clicking it, here I can type whatever I want. So grade 2. So if I type it, so first let me change the color. So if I type it, can you able to see it is appearing? So this is a text tool, that is you can change the text color, text style. So all these things can be done by changing here. So I can just add a text here. So I'm just adding text. So can you able to see? So my text is, so if I want to change text color, so can you able to see? So my text color has changed now. So this is a way you can format your text in Paint window. I hope this is clear to you all, and you can save your work by clicking this icon. So if you click this icon, it will ask for title and you can save your work. Okay, So I'm just saving it as grade 2. So my work is saved now. So I can use it for later purpose. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text. So what we saw today, we saw about paint, that is MS Paint. So why we use MS Paint? So MS Paint is mainly used for drawing and painting. We can create our own painting and drawing with the help of this MS Paint software. Okay. So in this we have several tools which is used for several different purposes. I hope it is clear to you all. Now we will move on to the book back exercise that we have. So please take page number 77. Match the tool with its picture. So first one is oval tool. So for drawing oval, which tool we use? We use circle. So you need to just match oval to the circle tool. Pencil tool. So for pencil tool, you need to match it to pencil that you have. Eraser tool. So you need to match it to the eraser tool that you have. Line tool, you need to match it to the line tool that you have. Fill with color, you need to match it to the bucket tool that you have. Text tool is used to match to, you need to match it with the text tool that you have. Next brush tool is used to match the brush tool that you have. Next at last polygon tool is used to match with the polygon tool that you have. I hope it is clear. Next we will move on to the next exercise. Next exercise is write the correct number in the circle to show the different parts of the paint window. Okay. So the first thing that they have given us tools. So you need to number it as 5. Second thing that they have given us brush. So you need to number it as 1. Third thing is shape. So you need to number it as 3. And fourth one is drawing area. So you need to number it as 4. Fifth one is color palette. So you need to number it as 2. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. So the next exercise is drag the name of the tool you would use to do the following. Draw a egg. So for drawing a egg, how egg will be? Egg will be in oval shape. So you need to just write oval tool. Okay. Draw a house. For drawing a house, which tool we use? We use shape tool. So with the help of shape tool, we have different shapes, right? So with the help of it, we can draw a house. Write your name. For writing your name, which tool we use? We use text tool. For drawing a flower, which tool we use? We can use pencil tool. For drawing a sun and moon, so for drawing sun and moon, which tool we use? We can use circle tool. Okay. Next exercise, complete the name of the following tools. So first one is text, T-E-X-T, text. So the next one is brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Okay. So the next one is line, L-I-N-E, line. And the next one is eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. So the next one is pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Okay. So the next one is rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. At last we have fun time activity, that is at 78 page number. So circle the name of the following paint tool in the word puzzle. So in word puzzle they have given the name, you need to find this name and you need to circle them. So this is homework for you guys, you need to do this at home. I hope MS Paint chapter is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text and we'll see you in the next class.